Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Cloud BI Academy, where we break down complex SQL topics in the simplest way possible. In today's videos, we are moving ahead in our SQL interview series and diving into the intermediate level, where things start to get really interesting. We will explore joins, subqueries, aggregate functions, and some key SQL concepts that frequently appear in the interviews. Make sure you watch till the end because I will share not just examples but also real time use cases and interview tips. So let's get started. Let ask ask you a quick questions. Have you ever wondered how we combine data from two or more table in a database? That's where SQL join comes in. Join allow us to pull related information from a multiple tables using a common column, like an employee table linked to a department table using department ID. There are four main types of join, but today we will focus on most commonly asked ones in the interview: inner join, left join, and right join. So let's start with the most common one, inner join. All right, imagine we have a two table, employee and departments. Each employee linked to a department through a column called department ID. So each column is linked to department through a column called department ID. Now an inner join return only those rows where there's a match in a board table. Here here's the SQL query. Select employee name and department name from inner join with employee and department table based on department ID. So let's say Alice work in a HR and Bob work in a IT and Valentine sorry Dave in a finance and Valentine doesn't have an department assigned. So in this query, only Alice, Bob, and Dave will appears because their department ID match in both tables. Valentine is left out because inner join exclude rows without matches. So key point for interview, inner join is used when you want only the matching records. Now comes a common confusion, left join versus right join. So let's break this down with a simple rule. Left join keep all the record from the left table and only match ones from the right. It means all rows from the left table and match row from the right table. If talking about right join, so all rows from the right table matches rows from the left table. So these it means keeps all records from the right table and the only match ones from the left. It's all about which side you want to keep complete. Let's look at it, each with an example. For example, left join, back to our employee departments. So we get uh, with this left join, we get all the employees even if they don't belong to any department. It means Valentine will show up with a null value in the department name column. So this is super useful when you want to identify unmatched or missing relationship like employee not yet assigned to a department. And here is the right join version. There is keyword is use right join. So this time In this time we will get all department including those with no employees. It means, let's say we have a department called marketing with no employee. With right join, it will still appear in the result with null for employee name. Interpretive use right join when your focus is on the right table, like listing all departments, even empty ones. Next up is one of my favorite subqueries. A subquery is just a query inside another query. You can use it to filter, compare, or retrieve values dynamically. For example, what if you want to find employees who earn more than the average salary? So here how we do that. Select name, department name, sorry, select name, salary from employer table where salary is greater than average salary of the employee. So what happened here? The inner join, sorry, in inner query, select average salary, calculate the average salary, and the outer query fetch all the employee who more than that value. So subquery can make your query powerful and dynamic, and they are often used in a real world reporting. Let's move to another super important topic, aggregate functions. These functions work on multiple rows and return a single summary value. The most used ones are count to count all counts rows, sum adds value, average calculate average, max and min for highest and lowest. So let's say you want to count how many employees are in each department. So here is the SQL query. So this query groups employee by their departments and give you total number of employees in each. So group by is essential when you using aggregate function. It organizes data before summarizing. Quick note on a common interview confusion: group by versus order by. So group by groups row to apply functions like count, sum, and order by just sort the final result by one or more columns. So they are not interchangeable. You can use both together. So we have already show you example. So select this give you a department wise count, and if we use the order by total employees, so we getting the highest to lowest value for this. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned today. So first topic is inner join. So inner join is matches in both table. Left join, all from the left, matched from the right. Third topic we have covered the right join, all from the right, matched from the left. Fourth topic we have covered subqueries, query inside a query. And then we go for the aggregate functions where we going through with count, average, max, min, and last one is group by versus order by. So organize, group by means organize and order by means sort. So these are most common concept for interview and real SQL work. In next video we will explore advanced topic like Windows function, common table expressions, CTEs, indexes, and query optimization. So if this video helped you, please share and subscribe, and feel free to drop your question in the comment. I love helping you out. Thanks.